In first part, we solve questions first and second from practice set 2.1. So today we take next question, question third. Write the following equations in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. That means we have to write the equation in the general form, then write the value of a, b, c for each equations. Means we have to find the value of real numbers. So we see first question, 2y equals to 10 minus y square. According to question, we have to arrange this equation in general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So see first question, we transfer these two terms 10 and minus y square to left hand side. So this minus y square, after transferring to left hand side, we get plus y square, this 2y as it is, and after transferring this 10 to left hand side we get minus 10 equals to 0. Now this is the form which we require, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So here variable is y, so we write this in the form of ay square plus by plus c equals to 0. So this is our required general form. Now we have to find the value of a, b, c. So here coefficient of y square is a, here coefficient of y square is 1, so a equals to 1. Here coefficient of y is b, here coefficient of y is 2, so we get y equals to 2. And here constant c, and here constant is minus 10, so c equals to minus 10. So comparing the general form of given equation with the standard form ay square plus by plus c equals to 0, we can calculate the value of a, b, c. Now see second question. In this question, in left hand side x minus 1 square, so we have to apply the formula a minus b bracket square. So first we simplify the LHS by using the formula a minus b bracket square. So we write here x square minus 2x plus 1, keep the RHS as it is, 2x plus 3. Now transfer these both terms to left hand side. So after transferring this 2x to left hand side we get minus 2x, transferring this plus 3 to left hand side we get minus 3. So collect the like terms. Here x square is only term, so we write here coefficient of x is 1, so minus x square, so we write here 1x square, minus 2x which we write minus 4x, plus 1 minus 3 which we write minus 2. So this is the required general form. So we compare this equation with equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 for the value of abc. Now here coefficient of x square is 1, here coefficient of x square is a, so a equals to 1. Here coefficient of x is b, here coefficient of x is minus 4, so we write here b equals to minus 4. Here constant c, and here constant is minus 2, so c equals to minus 2. So in this way we find the value of a, b, c. Now see question number third. In RHS bracket is given and before bracket sign is negative, sign is minus, so we multiply the bracket by this minus sign. So multiply by minus sign we get minus 3 minus minus plus x. Now transfer both the terms to left hand side, so we directly add or subtract this. So see here coefficient of x square is not given, so we consider that coefficient, that must be 1, so 1x square. Transfer this x to left hand side, so 5x minus x which we write 4x. Transferring this minus 3 to left hand side we get plus 3. So this is the required general form. So compare this with ax square plus bx plus c. So after comparing we get a equals to 1, b equals to 4 and c equals to 3. So in this way, after comparing, we get value of A, B, C as 1, 4, 3. Question number 4. 3m square equals to 2m minus 9. We transfer this 2m and minus 9 to left hand side. So we get here 3m square as it is. Transferring this 2m to left hand side, we get minus 2m, and transferring this minus 9 to left hand side, we get plus 9. So this is general form. So we compare this equation with am square plus bm plus c equals to 0. So after comparing, coefficient of m square is a and 3. So we get a equals to 3. Coefficient of m in both equation is b and minus 2. So we get b equals to minus 2. And constants are c and 9. So we get c equals to 9. Now see question number 5th. So in this problem, we have to multiply by p to this bracket in LHS. So we multiply by p to this bracket. So after multiplying p into 3, we write 3p, p into 6p, so we write 6p square, and after transferring this minus 5 to left hand side, we get plus 5. So first we rearrange this, we write the highest degree term 2 at first position. So we write here 6p square plus 3p plus 5 equals to 0. So this is general form. Now compare with ap square plus bp plus c equals to 0. We get a equals to 6, b equals to 3, and c equals to 5. See question number 6. X square minus 9 equals to 13. So we transfer this plus 13 to left hand side, we get minus 13, and x square minus 9 in LHS as it is. So here term of variable x is absent. So after adding minus 9, 13, we get minus 22. Variable x term is absent, so we write here 0x, and coefficient of x is 1. So we write 1x square plus 0x minus 22 equals to 0. This is general form. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So after comparing, we get a equals to 1, b equals to 0, and c equals to minus 22. So in this way, we can solve question 3. Now see next question. Determine whether the given values against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. So first equation is x square plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0, and the values are x equals to 1 and minus 1. Now in this question, we have to check whether these values are the roots of this given equation or not. So for that, we have to substitute these values in given equation, and if after substituting the value of this variable, if we get LHS equals to RHS, that means if the equation satisfied, then that value is the root of that equation or solution of that equation. So we first substitute x equals to 1. So see, x square plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0 is the given equation. We put x equals to 1 here first. So first we consider LHS. We replace x by 1. So here 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. So 1 square is 1, 4 into 1 is 4, minus 5 as it is. 1 plus 4 is 5. So we get here 5 minus 5, which is equals to 0, and which is RHS. So from this LHS equals to RHS. So from this we conclude that x equals to 1 is the solution of equation x square plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. Now we have to check second value, that is x equals to minus 1. So we substitute x equals to minus 1 or put x equals to minus 1 in LHS. So here we substitute x equals to minus 1. So right here bracket. So minus 1 square, 4 into value of x is minus 1, that is 4 into minus 1 minus 5 as it is. So minus 1 square is plus 1, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. So here we get 1 minus 9. So 1 minus 9, which we get minus 8. Here is print mistake. So which is not equals to 0. That means LHS not equals to RHS. So from this we can say that x equals to minus 1 is not solution of x square plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. See second value. Second value is x equals to minus 1. So we substitute x equals to minus 1. Put x equals to minus 1 in LHS. So here in place of x we replace minus 1. Here in place of x we replace minus 1. So minus 1 square is plus 1. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. And minus 5 as it is. So 1 minus 9, which we get minus 8, which is not equals to 0, and RHS is 0. So we say not equals to RHS. So LHS not equals to RHS. That means this value x equals to minus 1 not satisfy this equation. So we say x equals to minus 1 is not solution of equation x square plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. See second example. Here equation is 2m square minus 5m equals to 0, and the value of m are m equals to 2 and m equals to 1 by 2. So we check for m equals to 2. So first put m equals to 2. So we consider here LHS and substitute this m as 2. So 2 into m square. So value of m is 2. So we write here 2 square. 5m. So value of m is 2. So 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 8 and 5 2s are 10. So in this way we get 8 minus 10, which is minus 2, which is not equals to 0. That means this LHS not equals to RHS. That means m equals to 2 is not solution of this equation. Therefore m equals to 2 is not solution of equation 2m square minus 5m equals to 0. So see second value. For m is equals to 1 by 2. So we substitute here m equals to 1 by 2. So put m equals to 1 by 2 in LHS. LHS equals to 2 into value of m is 1 by 2. So we write here m square, that is 1 by 2 its square, minus 5m, that is 5 into 1 by 2. So square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. So after multiplying and cancelling this 4 with this 2, we get 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So base is same, we write 1 minus 5, which is minus 4. After cancelling this 4 with 2, 2 to the 4, we get here value minus 2, which is not equals to 0. So here LHS not equals to RHS. That means this value of m as 1 by 2 also not satisfy this equation. That means both m equals to 2 and m equals to 1 by 2 are not the solutions of this equation.